So once again, Adriano Fiorenza here from Game Changer Finance, and co-proposing with Matias Falcone, an Aldea founder and Falcon SPO. We are presenting Babel fees and sponsored transactions today. We have here Curious Bob. Curious Bob is learning about Cardano. He is excited because he has native assets and some free ADAs on his wallet, and he wants to send these free ADAs to his girlfriend. Here we have his girlfriend, mistrustful Alice. You can guess what happened. These free ADAs never arrived to Alice's wallet, and so she says, "Bob, I told you so. All cryptos are scam." Can we save Alice and Bob from complex to understand minimum ADA value issues, early interrupted onboarding experiences, lack of liquidity, lack of incentives to delegate to a stakepool and to, for example, use a DApp, and many more? But today, can we save them today without touching the protocol? Well, actually, we can. Thanks to Game Changer Wallet DApp connector flexibility and composability, we can allow users to pay transaction fees and costs with their own favorite tokens, atomically on transactions, like a practical wallet-side Babel fees implementation for users and DApps. We are asking your support today to add some services and features to make finally this possible on Cardano. Our key components consist on the right wallet and DApp connector design, and a native multi-sig support on wallets. We count with these two key components on Game Changer Wallet. Now we need the missing parts. That is an HTTPS multi-sig plugin for the DApp connector, a UTXO auxiliary functions on the DApp connector as well, and HTTPS services customized and prepared to deal with the missing part of the system that would consist on providing a list of available UTXOs, exchange rate quotations, apply some, offer this after some transaction validations, and respond with the missing signatures from this multi-sig system. The impact for Cardano would imply mitigating or solving user experience issues, like, for example, minimum ADA values issues. We will offer user onboarding at zero cost for the end user. We can mitigate volatility effects on users in developing countries. This is not a minor thing. We sometimes forget that this is a huge struggle in our countries. And also we can offer much more, like decentralized mint events, because we're offering this multi-sig plugin and this and also an artifact side effect of the development, an open source service boilerplate that we will be offering. So everything we do are building blocks for the entire community, not just